Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hey everyone, ever tried to play Clash of Clans vertically on your phone? It's a common question, especially for those quick checks throughout the day. Holding your phone upright just feels natural sometimes, right? Unfortunately, Clash of Clans is primarily designed for landscape mode. But don't worry, we'll dive into why that is, and explore if there are any current solutions for playing it vertically, even as we head into 2025. We'll cover everything you need to know. Clash of Clans was truly built from the ground up to be played in landscape. Think about it, the expansive bases, those epic battle layouts, they all fit perfectly across a wider screen. This design choice gives you the best overview of your village and helps manage all the intricate details. Because of this, Supercell, the game's developer, has always maintained that the official and only supported way to play is in that horizontal landscape mode. It's how they intend for you to experience the game. You might find third-party apps claiming to force any app into vertical orientation. While they exist, using them with Clash of Clans often results in a less-than-ideal experience. You'll likely see a very distorted user interface, with buttons and elements squished or overlapping, making the game incredibly difficult to play. Always be cautious with unofficial apps too, as they can sometimes introduce security vulnerabilities. It's truly not the recommended path for enjoyable gameplay. If you're really determined, playing Clash of Clans on a PC using an Android emulator like BlueStacks is an alternative. Emulators offer more control over window size and display settings, potentially allowing a taller, narrower window. But remember, even in this setup, the game's core interface remains fundamentally designed for that widescreen, horizontal display. You'll still be looking at a horizontally oriented game, just within a vertically shaped frame, which isn't quite the same as native vertical play. So, as we look ahead to 2025, it's clear that Supercell has no plans to introduce an official vertical mode for Clash of Clans. The game's intricate design, its strategic battles, and base layouts are simply optimized for landscape orientation. While the desire for vertical play is understandable for convenience, the best way to enjoy Clash of Clans is truly in the way it was designed. Embrace the widescreen experience and keep those villages growing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.